Welcome to our exploration into the valuable, yet often overlooked biblical narratives of women. Today we focus on Leah, a woman of resilience and strength, whose story is embedded with important life lessons. Leah, the first wife of Jacob, is a testament to faith, endurance, and motherhood. Thanks to her, over a third of the tribes of Israel trace their lineage. She was not just any woman, but a mother to 6 of Jacob's sons, whose lives would shape the tapestry of biblical history. Dive with us into the life of Leah, an unassuming yet powerful figure in the biblical epic who portrays the power of love, devotion, and her pivotal role as a matriarch in the biblical lineage. We invite you to uncover her story, which is loaded with emotional fortitude, spiritual tenacity, and an incredible legacy that reverberates through generations. In tradition-laden patriarchal society, Leah's life takes center stage as she goes from being an undesired wife to becoming a matriarch. Daughter of Laban, Leah was given in marriage to Jacob deceitfully, who was in love with her younger sister Rachel. Jacob was tricked by Laban to marry Leah first, causing great bitterness in her marital life as she was unloved. However, her ability to bear children kept her bound to Jacob. Leah gave birth to 6 sons: Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Issachar, and Zebulun, who would become ancestors to the massive tribes of Israel, remaining resilient and faithful in the trying circumstances. Leah's fortitude is enshrined in the naming of Judah, her 4th son, where she expresses her gratitude towards God for his blessings. Despite not receiving love from Jacob, Leah was loved by God, who opened her womb when the Lord saw she was unloved. She was buried in the family tomb at the cave of Machpelah, standing as a testimony of God's benevolence in relieving her of her affliction and establishing her as a significant character in biblical history. Leah's actions fulfill God's divine will through her unconditional devotion and sacrifice. With the birth of each son, she honors God, marking divine intervention in her challenging life. Through her, God shapes Israel, affirming divine providence at work. Leah's resilience and undying faith, in spite of being less favored, birthed 6 sons that became founding pillars of the tribes of Israel, reinforcing her vital role in biblical history.